Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today our topic is how you can show or sync contacts in WhatsApp. If you have not already subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks. So first of all, you need to go into permissions of WhatsApp. Just click on WhatsApp, app setting, app info, go into permissions. Then you need to check all the permissions to access your contacts, your call logs, camera, text, locations, microphone, etc. So, first of all, I will allow call logs, then camera, most important contacts to sync contacts in your WhatsApp, then locations, you can deny locations, microphone for calls, phones. So permission granted. Now we need to go into WhatsApp. Currently I am unable to see my contacts or contact list here. You can face the same problem while installing newly WhatsApp. So go into this bar or go into send message, then this bar, then refresh. Click on refresh. This will sync all your contacts. Now the syncing on the upper icon. So the all contacts have been synced successfully, and in this way you can sync all your contacts and show here to use further. Thanks guys for watching and learning.